Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're going to look at the brand new Oppo A6. This smartphone comes as a new addition to Oppo's A series lineup, bringing several interesting upgrades that make it appealing for everyday users. Oppo A6 arrives with a large display, a massive battery, 5G connectivity, and hardware that looks ready for daily activities. So in this video, we're going to talk about everything from the design, display, camera, performance, battery, and other features in a simple and easy-to-understand way. Let's get started. Starting from the design, Oppo A6 comes with a clean and modern look. The phone measures 166.6 by 78.5 by 8.6 millimeters and weighs around 216 grams. It's not exactly lightweight, but considering it packs a huge 7,000 mAh battery inside, the weight feels understandable. The device uses a glass front, plastic frame, and plastic back construction. In terms of colors, Oppo offers sapphire blue and sakura pink options. The sakura pink version especially gives a soft and stylish appearance. For SIM support, it uses nano SIM with dual SIM capability. Interestingly, Oppo A6 also comes with IP68 and IP69 ratings, meaning it has protection against dust and water. It can even survive water immersion up to 1.5 meters for around 30 minutes. Moving to the display, Oppo A6 features a large 6.75-inch IPS LCD panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This high refresh rate makes scrolling through social media, navigating menus, and everyday use feel smoother. The screen resolution is 720 by 1570 pixels with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio and around 256 ppi pixel density. For brightness, it can reach up to 1,125 nits peak brightness, which should help visibility under bright outdoor lighting. The screen is also protected by Mohs Level 5 protection. On the front, there's a centered punch-hole camera design that gives the display a more modern appearance. Now let's talk performance. Oppo A6 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, built on a 6-nanometer process. Inside, it uses an octa-core CPU setup consisting of 2 Cortex A76 cores running at 2.4 GHz and 6 Cortex A55 cores running at 2.0 GHz. For graphics, it uses the Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of memory, Oppo provides multiple configurations, including 128GB storage with 4GB RAM, 6GB RAM, or 8GB RAM. There are also higher variants like 256GB storage paired with 6GB, 8GB, and even up to 12GB RAM. Storage expansion is also available thanks to microSD card support. Out of the box, the phone runs Android 15 with ColorOS 15. Moving on to cameras, Oppo A6 comes with a dual rear camera setup. The main camera uses a 50-megapixel sensor with an f1.8 aperture and PDAF support for faster focusing. There's also an additional auxiliary sensor supporting the camera system. For video recording, the rear camera supports up to 1080p recording at 30 and 60 frames per second. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.0 aperture. It also supports 1080p video recording at 30 FPS. Additional camera features include LED flash, HDR, and panorama mode. One of the biggest highlights of Oppo A6 is definitely the battery. The phone packs a huge 7,000 mAh silicone carbon battery. For charging, Oppo includes 45-watt wired fast charging support, along with 33-watt PPS charging and 13.5-watt PD charging. According to the information available, it can charge around 37% in just 30 minutes. Interestingly, it also supports 5-watt reverse wired charging. For connectivity, Oppo A6 already supports GSM, HPSA, LTE, and 5G networks. Other features include dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS support, NFC depending on region, USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG support, stereo speakers, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. However, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack available. So, that's our discussion of the Oppo A6. It comes with a large display, a huge battery, a modern design, 5G support, and complete features that should be practical for everyday use. Overall, Oppo A6 looks like a smartphone focused on giving users a comfortable and straightforward daily experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.